If you could erase all the mistakes of your past, you would also erase the wisdom of your present. Remember the lesson, not the disappointment. Worry about your character and not your reputation, because your character is who you are, and your reputation is only what people think of you. Understand that healing and growing can distance you from people who you once had a bond with, and it can also bring you closer to those who will heal and grow with you. The time in between can be difficult, but there is so much to learn in solitude. Sometimes memories sneak out from my eyes and roll down my cheeks. You keep a lot to yourself because it's difficult to find people who understand. If you have a family that loves you, a few good friends, food on your table, and roof over your head, you are richer than you think. When you come to the point where you have no need to impress anybody, your freedom will begin. No one notices your tears. No one notices your sadness. No one notices your pain, but they all notice your mistakes. The most painful goodbyes are the ones that are never said and never explained. A person who truly loves you will give you two things without any reason. He will give you time in every situation. He will always give you respect.